Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. Fun car, guys. I actually sold this car a couple of years ago to a gentleman out of Illinois. Matter of fact, him and I have done, I think we've done 3 or 4 deals now. But I bought the car out of North Carolina. It's only got 1,100 miles on a body up restoration, and it's not a stock Barracuda. This is it's got a healthy 408 stroker motor underneath the hood, man. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. This thing's fun to drive. Beautiful silver metallic paint. It's got the black 340 stripe on it. It's got bucket seats with the center console. Most of these things had a bench seat with a column shift, so that was a real draw to me. But man, I like stuff that's done up like this. Super stock hood. They got it sitting up a little bit with the Cragars. Just a killer car. And Mike, the guy I sold to, he come back even nicer than when he got it. I mean, he's one of those guys that kind of like me. He likes messing with stuff. You can see that it's got the upgraded Holley headlights. There's a few little things you can kind of pick in the paint as we go around the car, but still very nice. New bumpers, front and rear. Again, I love the super stock hood. Car sits real good. Dash in there is nice. Got the padded dash, dual chrome mirrors. You can see a few little marks in the glass as we walk around, but I think most of the glass front windshield's original. I also think this car's got all the original body panels on it. Fold down rear seat in there. Of course, it's a sports coupe or fastback look that everybody wants. It's got Formula S on it. It is not a Formula S car, guys. It's just a Barracuda 318 car from the factory. Again, sits up good. Nitto rubber on the rear. Those are 15 by 8s on the rear. It's got 14 7s on the front. And it's got some meat. You think that thing, and it needs it. Because this thing runs, guys. This bad boy will get after it. Like I say, a few little things you can kind of pick at as we walk around the car. But very, very nice. Very well maintained. Killer set of Cragars all the way around it. Yeah, Nitto's on the rear, BFG's on the front. Now this engine was actually in it, but he actually pulled, like I say, he's like me, man. He's not, I don't think he's happy unless he's messing with something. Just actually pulled this back apart and freshened it up. New carb, that is a FST 4-barrel on it. If you know anything about those carbs are expensive. Brand new MSD 6AL ignition on it with a Pro Billet distributor. Aluminum heads, Edelbrock RPM air gap intake. It's got Doug's ceramic headers. Those are brand new. Car does have power steering. He put a custom aluminum radiator with a shroud in it. Front disc brakes. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. He did a nice job here. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, TCI trans. There's your original fender tag. This is a fun car right here, man. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Dual chrome mirrors. This one's remote. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Looks like new door rubbers. Again, that was a big plus for me. The bucket seats with the center console. Let's face it, most of these are bench seat with a column shift. Again, fold down rear seat. Headliner's nice. This is actually, it's got electric remote dumps for it. Really cool. These are Edelbrock, or I'm sorry, Autometer Mopar gauges, which are super cool. Padded dash. Everything in here works. It's got everything lights up really nice. I'll show you that when he starts it up. Again, it's got a custom dual exhaust system with electric dumps, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear axle. It's got driveshaft loop. It has frame ties. I'm trying to remember everything on this car. It's got 4-corner Lakewood drag shocks on it. Does have the jack with the spare. You can see it's got all the original insulation on it, and see it's all body color in here. Your spare is in there as well. Everything opens and closes nice. Not overdone underneath. It wasn't a rotisserie or anything like that. See if I can do this. My left arm's healing up a little better. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all redone, repadded, refoamed. Dash is nice. The radio works. Lower motor works. Center console's nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it too. Again, I noticed a little scratching as you walk by the glass. Yeah, this thing hits, man. Fun car to drive. It does have a prop rod for the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and have you check that hood. This is cool, man, the way it lights up. 1113 on the odometer. See how they light up blue? Those are really cool. And then all this stuff works in here too, which is really neat. Tack works. Fuel gauge does work. It's full. All your gauges are working. See, it's holding good oil pressure. All that stuff, like I say, works. Gets with the program, guys. If you're not careful, you'll get hurt in this thing. Radio works, lower motor, like I say, everything works in there. Wipers are functional. These updated headlights are cool. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. You can also now subscribe to southernmotors.com to keep track of our inventory.